What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday I went to my first ever motorsport event. I went to an autocross event at Summit Point in West Virginia. Finally took my Type R out to do some technical driving. Again, it was my first ever technical event. I've never driven fast on a technical course before, so that was a real eye-opening experience. I figured I'd make a vlog for anyone that might be interested in autocross to watch. And if you're a seasoned autocross veteran, make sure you let me know what I did wrong in the comment section below. I included my fastest morning run and my fastest evening run, just for some comparison purposes. Really looking forward to doing more of these events in the future. Now, without further ado, let's go straight to the autocross. All right, we finally got the numbers on. We're 335. I just used painter's tape last night, but my friends are still putting theirs on right now. He's being lazy, so he's got nothing on.
Are you recording me?
I am recording you.
That's not a big
John, what's up, guys?
What's up, John?
Hello. How y'all doing?
They're putting their numbers on right now. John, say hi to camera. We've made it to the gas station right outside of Summit Point. Just getting some snacks, and some people had to go to the bathrooms, but we're going to get tech inspected real soon. All right, yo, we've made it to Summit Point. We're about to go get teched right now. It's over there with the BRZ. All right, so we just passed tech inspection. Got the sticker right there to prove it. And I had to take out the stuff that I brought, even the tire inflator. So the trunk is super empty. I don't know, you can hear all the cars racing right now, so nothing in here, nothing underneath. So we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and walk up there to get my assignment for the day. Alright, so we just got our work assignment and we're about to go walk the track right now. I'll probably have to do it a few times just so I remember what is what and I don't go off course, but we'll see.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, just finished walking the course and we retorqued all of our wheel lug nuts. If you didn't know, these are 94 foot-pounds, even though it says 80 in the manual, and that is wrong, so 94.
Okay. There you go. Keep her a little bit tight. If you keep it tight, then it makes you more smoothly into this one. And tight here. And then you just keep her out a little bit. Keep it wide, keep it wide, keep it wide, and then bring her in nice. It'll put you in a smooth line through. Keep her straight. And then sweep in. And then you get it tight into this one, so it puts you right into these gates. Then you can keep it wide again. And that way, if you keep it a little bit wide, then you can come tight into this one. You don't have to cut so hard. Keep her nice and straight through here. There you go. Sweep it into this one. And you should be able to just lift, back, and then just keep her out, tight in. Perfect. Straight through. And over. And then brakes a little bit. To the left. To the right. To the left. And then get her just a little bit wide. Get her nice and tight in so you can catch this one here. Get her straight to the right a little bit and straight on in.
Alright, we just finished our first heat. I got 3 runs in. Again, it's my first time, so I rode with the instructors. They said my inputs were smooth, so that's a plus. I don't know if they're gassing me up. But our fastest time was a 1 minute and 3 seconds, and everybody else that are going fast seems to be going in the mid 50s. So we got a ways to go. That's why we're here, trying to get some seat time. So we'll see.
When you're ready.
Guys, it is 2:30-ish and we just finished our run. I shaved a whole 4 seconds off of my first run this morning, so big difference. I learned how late I can brake on these Brembos and just, you know, generally what to do in a faster car. So super exhilarating. Am I gonna do it again? Absolutely, I think so. It's really fun. The only thing that would cost me is our tires. I want to show something on where the vents are, the brake vents. There's a few bits of rubber, so I'm gonna have to go home and hose this down. Front tires look okay, not super duper bad, but then again, this is only the first event that I've done. The rear sticky pads right here caught some rubber, so thank you to Honda for putting that right there.
What's up, you guys? This is the day after Autocross. I've made it back home safe and sound. Car is fine, nothing's broken. That was a great experience. That was my first ever motorsport event. I've never driven fast on a technical course before, so that was a real eye-opening experience. I couldn't believe I got a whole 7 seconds off of my first morning time, mainly because I let one of the instructors, who also owns an FK8, shout out to Colin, he drove the car flat out. And I didn't think that my car can do that. I needed to trust my brakes more. The Brembos are really good during the short stops. So if you watch the runs, you'll see that I had more throttle inputs, more braking, the tires squealed more. So I was pushing the car harder than the first time. I was a little bit more shy in the morning. So that was a great experience. Eventually, I would like to take this car to the track, to an actual HPD event. So I would be looking forward to that. We'll see which day I'm available to go. And that should be a fun experience. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. I have the exhaust coming in, and I have another modification that will increase your reliability, supposedly, on direct injected engines. Let me know in the comment section below what you think it is, and just wait for that video to come out. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.